Hi guys, Dr. Berg here. Here's the question. Can I eat oatmeal on a ketogenic diet? Will it bump me out of fat burning? Okay, let's talk about that. So the first thing you need to know is that there's two types of oatmeal. One is the steel cut, I guess it's called the Irish or Scottish oatmeal, which is unrefined. And then you have the instant oatmeal, which is usually with a ton of sugar or brown sugar, okay? Well, if you take a look at the glycemic index of steel cut, it's about 55. Not terribly high, not terribly low, a bit too high for a ketogenic diet though. So it does tend to turn in sugar somewhat. And then you have the instant, look at it, it's 83. So that's good, and that's even without the sugar. So it's going to convert to sugar pretty fast because it's more refined. So the more glycemic it is, the worse it is for your weight loss, okay? So number one, you never want to consume the instant oatmeal. You don't want to do it. And you definitely don't want to buy that packets with the added sugar because it's not healthy at all. As far as nutrients in oatmeal, there is a small amount of nutrients. I'm not saying it's completely void, but it does have something called beta-glucan, which is something that is helpful for cholesterol, okay? But here's the point. If you're trying to lose weight and you're on a ketogenic diet and keeping your carbs really low, it's not a good idea to consume oatmeal, okay? Because it's going to slow you down. If you're not trying to lose weight, go ahead and consume, but just make sure it's a steel cut. Yes, it takes longer to make, but it's healthier, okay, than this stuff over here. All right? That's my answer. Hey, if you're enjoying my videos, press the subscribe button below and I will keep you updated on the future events. Thank you so much.